Hi everyone, it's Brenna Cantner from Nexus Youth and Family Services. Wanted to bring you a little bit of a fun activity and do an outdoor nature scavenger hunt. It gets you outside, it gets you some sunshine, and I'm here with
Naomi, 6 feet apart.
6 feet apart.
Making our social distancing responsibilities happen, and so I'm over here.
But we're just gonna have some fun and run around our office because that's where we're at. But it'll give you some time to hang out, have fun outside, and get some sunshine in this beautiful spring weather. Get excited! Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah. All right, guys, so I found these really awesome worksheets on the internet. I looked on Pinterest because I like Pinterest. So I found a really fun nature scavenger hunt. So we're gonna do this one. I brought this one out as an example that's kind of an in-the-home scavenger hunt of finding something like a family picture, a flashlight. There's all kinds of fun stuff. I will link both of these, or you can make your own. But look how fun these are. Ready? Let's go. Don't hurt yourself.
Rough object. Pretty cool.
What else is on the list?
Come on, let's go check it out.
Yeah, don't pick California poppies. Oh, there's actually a lot of spider webs and spiders. All in these rocks. Oh boy. Yikes.
Another thing it says is bugs. Bugs. I bet there is bugs behind this rock. Yep, right there. Oh, it's cool.
Ooh!
It's a little.
There's a pine cone. You guys can use the things on these lists that I gave you guys, or you can just take the opportunity to find something new and fun and see what you can come up with. You can make your own list. Be creative. That's what it's all about. Have fun.
Thank you guys for watching. Have fun on your scavenger hunt in the nature. I really hope that everybody enjoys their weekend and is doing well with this COVID-19. Thank you for watching Nexus Youth and Family Services.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Naomi and I have so many more fun videos coming at you with just fun, easy, at-home activities. So keep watch.
See? Right there, Sheriff. He's making sure we're behaving, not jaywalking. You guys have a great weekend. Again, Nexus Youth and Family Services. Bye.
All right, so we hope you have a great day. And, oh my God, the sprinklers! Oh my God. Okay, anyway, we hope you have a great day. The sheriff just came and offered to take our picture for us. We really miss you guys, and we hope you're having so much fun with some of the videos we're bringing to you. Take care. We miss you. Hope to see you in person soon. But for now, have fun.
Have a great weekend.